Okay, what you're going to see here is it's going to move X, Y, and Z all at the same time. The first passes are going to be running at 500 RPM, and then it's going to take a couple passes at that, then it's going to stop, reset to 1500 RPM, and then the last passes will be at 7000 RPM. The program speed of the feed rate wise is 150 inches a minute X, Y, and Z. We can just crank that up to 150% too. Right now we have the side doors open so you can see in there just a little better too. Now it's running at 1500 RPM. Max spindle speed on this machine is 8,000 RPM, and there is a spindle killer on the back of this machine.